Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily enable translation option on Facebook posts. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the Facebook app on your phone, and once you're on this page you'll have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner, and then you'll have to tap on the gear icon on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Facebook account. Now you'll have to scroll down a bit, and in the preferences section you'll be able to find an option of language and region. You'll have to tap on it, and right here you'll be able to find a second option, that is language into which you'd like to have posts translated. You'll have to tap on the second option, and after that you will have to select the language in which you want to translate all your posts on Facebook. Uh, in case you have a friend that understand a language or that posts in a language other than English, you can choose that language like Espanol and Netherlands and anything like that, Dutch language or Portuguese, and then you'll have to tap on save, and it will be selected. Remember, you choose the second option, this one. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.